this is Phoenix Genesis for PhoenixGenesis.com and our two YouTube channels, Phoenix Genesis and Frag Camp. I'm fiercely trying to get everything done for my Pacific Crest Trail 2018 Thru-Hike, and now I'm down to the gram shaving, which makes a really big difference, believe it or not. Kilograms turn into grams, grams turn into ounces, which turn into pounds, which turns into a miserable thru-hike. So let's look at toothbrushes. Every respectable thru-hiker will modify their toothbrush. So let me show you. Here's just like a basic toothbrush I use at home. This is like a kid's. This is pretty ultralight. This comes in at 11 grams. So seems light to you, but let's take something. This is like a little pet toothbrush. And again, you could cut your toothbrush, but this is, I want to do it for someone who just, say you get to a hike or resupply town and you want to lower your toothbrush, or your toothbrush breaks and you don't want to modify it, you just want to go buy something. So here we go. This drops down to 8 grams, if you can see that, and that one was 11, I think. So we're saving 3 grams just by going with the pet toothbrush. Now, if you want to go ahead and protect your toothbrush, which I actually usually do because I think it's nasty if it's not protected, that's going to add another 2 grams. So if I take that and put the protector on there, now we're getting up to, that shouldn't be 8, yeah, it should be, yeah, there we go, about 9 grams. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do this time. Let me zero out the scale again. What I'm going to do is my little, hold out, I'm going to take one of these little pet starter toothbrushes, or a finger toothbrush. You can get them at any pet store. And I'm going to throw this on here. And believe me, I like this better because it just stays cleaner. It's really easy to clean this with some rubbing alcohol. Let's throw this puppy on here. And what do we have? 4 grams. So that cuts, again, that cuts a half. I could take 2 of those compared to one of these. So I actually do take 2, one for me and one for the dog. And what you can do with this, because it's kind of small, is you can take your lip balm right here. Make sure you don't put it on this side because the cap will come off and get jammed in it. I already did that. So you just take this and you slide it down in here, and now it fits perfectly over your lip balm, and you got a little extra handle to kind of brush your teeth. And you're going to take the lip balm anyway, because if you look, there's a guy, I think he's called Sensible Prepper. He does like 101 uses for lip balm. You can make a 10-hour candle with it. I use it to rub on the bottom of my feet. You can see my Pacific Crest Trail 2016 where I did emergency foot care with lip balm. And of course, use it for your lips. You can use it as a triple antibiotic ointment. So definitely you want that. So here, my little lip balm toothbrush now weighs a whole, let me do that one more time, make sure it's zeroed out. And that's going to come to 13 grams with the lip balm. So that's it. And I hope you enjoyed that. And it's Phoenix Genesis. And I'm so stressed. I'm starting to get better. I was really sick. And hopefully we're still leaving Wednesday to hit the Pacific Crest Trail. And once again, I'll see you on the trail.